Icy outside.
It's definitely not icy outside. Well, those temperatures are cool right now, but they're going to be warming on up. We still have high pressure in the region, bringing those warm temperatures well above average for this time of year, but it's also creating some high thin clouds out there across the county, but mostly sunny skies for the most part, and those above average temperatures are going to continue over the next few days, as well as calm winds, so it's going to be stable, but those upper 60s continue here in the valley. However, on Thursday, we are looking at a system moving through, bringing light rain to our mountain communities, and then another system moving in on Saturday. That's going to bring possibly rain to the valley and the mountains, so that looks like it has a little bit more moisture than the previous system, but that dry weather will continue, but dry weather over the next several days for now, and that fog will continue this morning here in the valley. Those temperatures in those upper 60s over the next several days, with mostly sunny skies continuing throughout the week. For the first day of February on Friday, we are looking at those upper 60s, but then we will see those temperatures dip to those low 60s on Saturday as that system moves through. In the Kern River Valley, a high of 67, dipping down to the 40s overnight, and then those 60s continue over the next several days through the week, but we are looking at those rain chances starting on Thursday. Tehachapi 62 as that high today, and those 60s continue over the next few days, but then those upper 50s return by your midweek. Fraser Park 58 as that high today, dipping down to the 30s. Breezy tomorrow as well as Tuesday, and then those upper 50s return as well. So take advantage of that dry weather while we have it. I said it yesterday, I'll say it again. Get out there and enjoy the dry weather. But unfortunately, we have that unhealthy air quality, so don't spend too much time outside.
Yeah, probably, maybe not today with the air quality.